Hey everyone, it's Madeline. I'm at the cafeteria at North Campus and I'm going to be going around asking students whether they prefer to eat in at home or out. So let's go find out. Do you prefer to eat in or out?
In. Out with friends.
Sometimes I prefer to eat outside and sometimes at home when I'm not feeling well.
How about you?
Whenever I eat outside, it doesn't fit to my health. At home.
Why is that?
Because I have no money.
I prefer to cook home, but I'm just a student.
Me too. I prefer to eat at home, but I always end up buying food.
Yeah. It's all about the cost, you know? Already a struggling college student, you might as well make what you have.
Some people are saying eat at home, which I 100% agree with, and some people are saying eat out, but I understand that as well. Broke student life. Do you prefer eating in at home or eating out?
In at home.
Okay, how about you? In or out?
Eating out.
And you?
Both.
Both? Good, both is good. Me too.
In at home, as you can see.
Are you traveling this summer?
I was thinking about it, but I think I might be staying here this summer. And if I have any exotic foods, it might be at special restaurants.
You guys should check out our video about whether or not people were studying or traveling during reading week. My grandma cooks some bomb Persian food, so I'm a eat in kind of girl. In at home or out?
I like eating at home whenever possible.
Do you prefer to eat in or out?
Depends.
Even though when you're eating in, it's still fast food, so...
Okay, that's true then. Yeah, okay. Out, I guess, would be my answer.
Oh, I think that was pretty successful. You guys should really check out our other videos, and we post them every Thursday, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much, and we'll see you later. Bye!